My city is burned. The UK gets spurned. A cartoon makes a debut, but the character is PU. These three and more aren't arbitrary. They all occurred on the 5th of January. In 1781, British naval expedition led by Benedict Arnold burns Richmond, Virginia. How dare you, you traitor. In 1846, the United States House of Representatives votes to stop sharing the Oregon Territory with the United Kingdom. It's ours, you can't have it, get lost. In 1925, Nellie Taylor Ross is sworn in as the governor of Wyoming, the first governor in the United States that's a woman. In 1940, the FCC hears the first transmission of the FM radio with clear static-free signal, and yet staticky AM radio persists for decades after that. What were you thinking? In 1945, Pepe Le Pew debuts in Warner Brothers cartoon Odorable Kitty. Pew! I know, he was a monster. I get it, women. In 1959, Bozo the Clown live children's show premieres on TV and probably creeps out at least half of those kids. In 1969, the USSR Venera 5 is launched for the first successful planet landing on Venus. On Venus! Venus has a 900-degree average temperature, so it didn't last long when it got there, but still, that's bold, Russia. Really bold. In 1972, U.S. President Nixon signs a bill for NASA to begin research on a manned space shuttle. Good job. My uncle's worked on that. Really cool stuff. In 1993, The Price is Right model Janice Pennington sues CBS for a show accident. That wasn't it, but still, that's kind of funny. I think I was more of a Diane man myself. In 1993, Washington State executes Wesley Allen Dodd by hanging, the first legal hanging in America since 1965. Wow, hanging. What is this, 1825? Hanging a man. Ugh. And in 2023, Pocahontas is revealed as the 12th great-grandmother of actor Edward Norton on PBS's Finding Your Roots. She looks good. Looks good for being that old. What happened each date won't be a mystery if you subscribe to my channel for this date in history. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, plus check out the comments below for even more January 5th history. You better do it. Or bad things, man. That car's been parked there a really long time. Maybe somebody should check that out.